made it to Disney Springs. We're headed to Gideon's. We're going to show you the inside. Compare that to the original location. Here's the virtual queue. You have to sign in. They said it's going to be about an hour and a half. And right now it is 11 o'clock, so get here early. I just got a text to get into the virtual queue. It's going to be about 45 minutes. So at 11 o'clock, 11 a.m., it's 45-minute queue. Now the original location is going to be no wait at all. Gideon's is right across from the hangar. So if that gives you an idea of where it is at, it's pretty easy to find actually. Okay, we waited about 30 minutes, not bad. We're gonna show the inside, which is the coolest compared to the original location. And they also have special merch. So I'll briefly show that as well. Okay. We got these pictures, some candles. Let's see how much they are. The coffee cake cookie candle. Looks like just the one. I know they have shirts too. I think the shirts look like that. And that. There's like a gargoyle. All these things are so cool. What is it? Our products contain eggs, dairy, gluten, meat, and nuts. I love the like bookshelf look. This is the neatest. The original location doesn't look as cool. Okay, we're gonna see what kinds they have. Looks delicious. The original location should have the same cookies, but they don't have the drinks. Okay, so we're gonna go to the other location now. Now the original location, the cookies are $1 cheaper, so they're $5 instead of $6. I'll see about the cake as well. But here is the current menu, and it seems they have a limited edition cookie every month. The orange was really good. Okay, this is off of Corrine Drive. Gideon's is in this food court. It's like food mall. Got this bread place, fancy meats, biscuit, and then Gideon's is right here. So let's see what cookies they have. Look. Oh, almost half pound for a cookie. They have pistachio, limited edition's the orange. Peanut butter vanilla crisp. I think that's different. Cookies and cream. And triple chocolate chip. And classic chocolate chip. Orange juice. And then they have the cakes here. And the little dips to go. I didn't see that at the other location. Gideon cake slices are $8 here. Also over here is a place for, it looks like smoothies, things like that. Looks like they have some cheeses, plants, art, and then over here they do the cold brew for the Gideons. And then they're going to do fresh squeezed orange juice over here. Pretty cool. So that was the other location. No wait, we just walked right in, easy peasy. If you want to avoid a wait at Disney Springs, I would come here. Okay, this is our haul. The left side is the original location and the right side is the Disney Springs location. We got the peanut butter cold brew without ice because she said it will hold up well in the car ride. And then we're gonna put it over ice. Now, the original location does not have the peanut butter ice coffee, but they have the other ones they can make in the other shop right next to it. Now, these things are huge. They're like hamburgers. Okay, that is the triple chocolate we got, and I did get a triple chocolate on the side. This is the Springs, wow. And this is the original location.
It has more salt.
Okay, yep, the original does have the sea salt.
Seems wider, this one seems taller. It's about the same amount. It's just that one's tallarized and this one's flatter.
Okay.
That's the only difference I'm seeing except for salt.
Alright, so these things are like really thick. They are one of the best cookies.
Yeah.
Good? Is it good? Still really good?
Wait for this day.
Is it good? Good.
It still tastes the same. I think the one from the original, to me, it tastes a little better because it has a little more sea salt. I like that myself.
Okay.
But they do taste exactly the same.
Okay, here's the difference. The original has on Wednesdays, Walnut Wednesdays. It's a walnut cookie with cinnamon and I think vanilla. And then the Springs has in the morning a coffee cake cookie, which we have not tried because we've never been there that early. This is the walnut one that's on Wednesdays at the original location, not at Springs. Okay, let's see, Daddy. That is good.
I'm in love with that.
Yeah, it tastes like a cinnamon sugar walnut with the cookie dough and the chocolate chip. Really good. Okay, coffee cake. It does sell out.
Oh my gosh, this is gonna be like a cinnamon roll or something. Look at that.
Coffee cake from the Springs, not from the original. Is it good? Which one is better, the walnut or the coffee?
Coffee, I think.
Okay.
Okay, I don't know. They're both really good, but I really like this one.
Okay, that's the walnut.
Tell mommy what you like, if you like it.
It's got cinnamon. Oh, he just immediately says. All right, Pumpkin, you take a piece. There's the coffee cake, is that one, and the walnut is that one.
There he goes. Is that good, buddy?
How's the walnut? Is it yummy?
A little bit good.
A little bit good? Do you like the coffee cake, Pumpkin?
Yeah, a little bit.
A little bit. Yeah, the kids are more onto the chocolate chip and the cookies and cream. Okay, this is the Springs.
Yeah, and
then this is the original. See how big these are. Hold on, let me get a picture. Look at me and go. Look surprised.
Great.
Look at that mess. That is some yummy chocolate goodness.
Okay, this one seems softer. This one.
The Springs. Maybe it depends on the time they bake it.
Wow, that one's much softer.
Okay, so today the Springs one.
That one seems softer.
Is softer. Oh, this is the Springs, and this is the original. One of them's a little bit taller than the other.
Yeah, and there's like cookies on there.
Yep, Oreo. All right, go ahead. You want to rip it up, Daddy?
I can do it.
Careful. All right. Look inside of that.
Oh my, this one looks better.
It's just like eating Oreos. So good.
It's almost like eating Oreos and
This is my
Ahoy
favorite.
Chips Ahoy.
Chocolate all over her face. Duncan, do you like that one the best or the chocolate chip the best?
This.
The cookies and cream? Yeah. So Daddy, which one's your favorite? The cookies and cream or the chocolate chip?
It's hard to decide now. I used to love the original and I still do.
What about both?
But now I think this is my favorite.
Well, good thing I got two. I think this is my favorite too. Cookies and cream is so good. Here is the orange chocolate limited edition one. They change every month. This one we had, it is really good. It's good for occasion, but I still like the other ones the best. This is the red velvet. They had it at both locations. They said it melts fast, so
Yeah,
heat it
well,
up.
it tastes good.
The icing's very good, and it's like moist.
The only thing, I like it, but I can do without the walnuts. It doesn't need it.
Yeah, maybe just to give it a crunch, they did it. Is it good, guys?
Yes.
Careful.
I don't like it that much.
Okay, Pumpkin doesn't like it as much. She's going more for the cookies and cream.
It.
You like
Here,
it?
buddy, then take it.
Good job,
well, yeah,
buddy.
he likes it if it opens the whole mouth, then yes.
There's a cookies and cream cake as well. We had that the first time, and it was really good.
Well, it's better than
It's
the
better
cookie.
than the red velvet. I thought you'd like the red velvet best.
I love that cake.
Yep, you should because it's cookies and cream. Buddy boy, you want to try a bite? Take a big bite. I think he does.
Like
yeah, is that good? I think the cake is a winner. Definitely, it's like soft.
It's all icing. Very soft. It's starting to fall apart.
Yeah, melt.
I don't care for it myself.
Mom might like this. If you're a peanut butter fan, you're probably gonna like it.
Yeah, I don't care for it so much.
Cookies and cream is the best, but this is good if you like peanut butter. Okay, so if you just want good cookies, go to the original location. There's no wait. It's $1 cheaper a cookie as well. It's $5 versus $6. So you basically get a free cookie if you buy enough of them. But the Springs one is really cool to go inside.
It's a fun environment.
Yeah, it's really neat inside. If you're already in Springs, then wait, you know, for the virtual queue. But otherwise, go to the original.
They both taste the same, but I agree it's cheaper the other place.
And you just walk right in and get them.
Walk right in. Why would you not do that?
So, definitely always a good thing. The best cookies we've had in Central Florida, I would say.
They're consistent.
Yes.
With flavor.
They were not the best cookies. They were the super duper duper bestest cookies. Stay at Bakehouse and subscribe for more videos. Go to our channel, subscribe.